Check out the birds. This is the Magnolia Bird Farm, and it's one of the only things that we can still do during quarantine. It's like the only zoo that's still open. Very small, by the way. Whoa. Very small thing. It's just from that end over there down that way. So there's really not a lot of birds, but if you like birds, then this is a good place to come. Hi there. Wow, you hear that guy? Oh, these are beautiful. Hi there.
Oh, they're ringnecks. I love those. Hi.
Hello, everyone. There appear to be more birds inside.
Oh,
Look at that. No cage on this one right here.
He's so pretty. Hey. Very nice. He's got legs here.
That's beautiful. Look at that. So it's good to find something we could do. I mean, there's something besides drive-thrus that are open right now. And that's because the Magnolia Bird Farm is a pet store, which is considered essentials right now. So this place is open.
Look how beautiful the little finches.
And these birds are all for sale, which is
pretty
really cool. Oh, hi there.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Okay, I've never even seen a bird like this one right down here. Look at that. Look at that afro. Oh, look at this pretty birdie. Hi there. Wow. Hi there. Hello. Check out all the birds in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Wow. Hi there.
You're so big.
It's a kitty.
That's a huge cat. Okay, bye.
Okay. See ya.
He's so pretty. Mom's gonna be like, oh my
Just walking over here. There's a little cat over here.
Hey, Mom, next to you.
Look at that. There's a sleeping iguana back there. Look at that. Hi there. Aren't you friendly?
Hi.
Hi there.
I don't know if it's supposed to be You're so pretty.
It's a pretty bird.
Hi.
What?
Oh.
So yeah, it's nice to see that there's still something we can do in town. Stay safe, wash your hands, and have a nice day. See ya.